Hey gamers, Holy Just Gaming here, and today we're going to be doing Cat Ninja, and we should like and subscribe if you do enjoy. Now this is from Doge Jordan and Doge Spiller, as they showed me how to do this. So now we're just gonna turn the volume down here. Boom, 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 boom. Dang, we just missed it, guys. So close. So I think we're gonna check our time. Let's see. Okay. Ah, dang it. Just died. Dang it. Phew, made it. Made it. And slam, 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 slam. Because I'm just testing this out. This does have webcam, but I don't want to. I'm going to try to test it soon. I have no idea. Slam. That button doesn't even do anything. So guys, that's just that. So guys, we're just gonna try this. And this is a little bit slow. Just made it. Whee! Guys, I think this is pretty cool. Just gonna turn this down. Go here. And that just explodes. I don't know why it's like kind of slow. Check our time again, guys. Okay. And got it. Guys, this is gonna be my first high quality video because I think this goes up to 720. So this is pretty easy. Here we go. I'm not gonna make this one, so I'm gonna go again. Oh, dang it. So close. Hopefully this will work. Dang it. Phew. Phew. Made it. So we're just gonna go down here. And we're just gonna go on the jetpack, guys. Because this is just really cool. Okay, guys, so check the time again. Let's see. 4:35, okay. We're gonna make this like a 10-minute long video. Flying rooms full of teddy bears. No, there isn't. I've almost beat this game once. It's pretty tricky. So I'm just gonna go down here. Didn't go boosh. So we're actually supposed to go down here. Then jump. Go here. Actually gonna turn this down. Actually gonna turn this off. God, what's our recording time? I think like 8 minutes, I don't know. Ah, dang it. Try this. 741. Ah, dang it. I'm just gonna go here. God, this is gonna be so fun. Phew, just avoided that. No, God, that one's really hard to get. Whee! I wish we could just like fall in here and then it's like whee! No, I saw that coming. I just didn't see that. Let's try this. Yeah. Okay, guys, so just give it one more try. Let's see. Guys, look, watch this. Well, you see, I almost like jumped into the spikes. This is hard. Phew. I forgot the controls are reversed. No! Guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. So, bye.